Yo, alright, so check it out. You guys are about to be mind blown with how easy this. But first, you're gonna see how we're going to the mountains. We're going to the mountains. Just a little 2-day trip. Get outdoors, everyone. Go to the beach, go to the mountain, go to the desert, get out of the house. Look how beautiful it is. This is what my channel is all about.
Where are we right now?
Right now we are on the side of a mountain. We're going up to Big Bear, going to Big Bear Lake. We're gonna be camping for a couple of nights. We'll be doing some fishing, catching some crawdaddies. And you guys are gonna see us in 2 seconds. Alright, so check it out. You guys are about to be mind blown with how easy this tent is to set up. But first, you're gonna see how hard and annoying a regular tent is to set up. So you're gonna watch us struggle for the next 5 minutes, or maybe less than that, because I'll fast forward it. So here we go. Alright, so for all you campers out there and you outdoorsy people, I don't have to explain to you guys how annoying it is to set up that kind of a tent with these poles. You have to deal with all the poles. I'm going to introduce you guys to something insanely easy. Check this out. You're about to witness next level camping. I won't even need to speed up this portion of the video. Check this out. Welcome to my crib. This could easily fit 3 people here. 1, 2, 3. That took us literally less than a minute to do.
That's really cool.
That's Gazelle hub tent. I'll put a description down below so you guys can get one. And you won't have to waste any time doing that. The way it works is it has these center points right here. It's just a little pop. It takes 5 total. 1, 2, 3. The one I just pushed in, and then that one on top. Just 5 times. You can assemble or disassemble. I use this everywhere I go camping. And if you guys want to make your life a lot easier if you want to make it out to a lake sooner, if you want to go fishing sooner, if you just want to go hiking and you don't want to have to waste time setting up because you still got all this stuff to set up, right? Why not invest a little bit of money and get one of these bad boys? Camp like a pro. Work smarter, not harder. Tip number 2 on how to make your camping life 100% easier. You gotta pick one of these up. Coleman propane stove 2-burner. Basically self-explanatory. 2 burners right there. And I bought this griddle to go on top. So if you ever want to cook pancakes or any kind of bacon or sausage, this is perfect. I'll be demonstrating that today. You got the little connector for the fuel. Fuel just goes on like that.
There's these giant beetles out here that have like these red teeth that are terrifying.
They're not teeth. She just thinks they're teeth because she's scared of all bugs. Just wait till you see what we have on here. If you have a compact car and you're looking for a way to cook without having to stuff your car, I would recommend getting one of these bad boys. This is what a Coleman little stovetop can do. 3 full meals and more if we wanted to, but are you ready to eat, babe?
I'm ready.
It just started raining out of nowhere. Lightning, thunder. I forgot to mention that this gazelle tent, it has a rain cover and it's super easy to put on. You just pop these guys right on. Dude, this tent is the best. Would you agree?
I agree.
It has begun raining. This sleeping bag right here is good enough for 2 people. And it comes with 2 pillows. Just fall asleep. It's extremely warm. It's like a thermal interior. It's raining. It's raining and it's pouring. So you can see the blue flames a little bit better inside the tent. But those things are going real good, so throw that on there. I'll post a link down below so you can get one of these guys. This thing is so awesome. You can just put it in your tent. Let's say it's raining outside or you just don't want to leave your tent. Just bring it in here and kick away.